key development in the Adani-Hindenburg issue, the Supreme Court of India today directed the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is the SEBI, to complete investigation into the controversy surrounding the Hindenburg research report on the Adani group of companies and allegations against the conglomerate within a period of 2 months and subsequently file a status report before the court. Pertinently, the bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Pardewala today also set up an expert committee headed by retired Justice A.M. Sapre to look into the issue arising out of the Hindenburg report. The committee, besides Justice Sapre, will also comprise Mr. O.P. Bhatt, former chairman of the State Bank of India, Justice J.P. Devadhar, former judge of the Bombay High Court and former presiding officer of the Securities Appellate Tribunal, Mr. K.V. Kamat, former chief of the New Development Bank of BRICS countries and former chairman of Infosys Limited, Mr. Nandan Nilekani, co-founder of Infosys and former chairman of the UIDAI, and Advocate Somasekar Sundaresan, a leading securities lawyer who has also been recently recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium for elevation as a judge of the Bombay High Court. SEBI has also been ordered to inform the expert committee the action it has taken in furtherance of the directions as well as the steps taken as part of the ongoing investigation. The Supreme Court today also noted that the cases concern the loss of investor wealth over the past few weeks due to the steep decline of Adani Group companies precipitated by the Hindenburg research report, which alleged manipulations and malpractices by the Adani Group of companies. The bench also took into consideration that Hindenburg had stated that it had taken a short position in the Adani Group shares. As part of the ongoing investigation, SEBI shall also investigate the following: A. Whether there is a violation of Rule 19 Clause A of the Securities Contract Regulation Rules. B. Whether there is a failure to disclose transactions with related parties and other relevant information which concerns related parties to the SEBI in accordance with law. C. Whether there was any manipulation of stock prices in contravention of existing laws. To provide a bit of context for all of you, the order today was passed by the Supreme Court on a batch of 4 petitions concerning the recent report published by short seller Hindenburg Research alleging fraud on part of the conglomerate by inflating share prices. The report had led to a fall in the share value of various Adani companies, and Adani Group had reportedly suffered losses crossing 100 billion. Notably, the bench in an earlier hearing had refused to accept the names proposed by the central government in a sealed cover for inclusion in the proposed committee. The CGI had also clarified that the court will not start with the presumption of failure of regulatory framework in the issue. Following the Supreme Court's order today, Mr. Gautam Adani tweeted from his Twitter handle that the Adani Group welcomes the order and that it will bring finality to the issue in a time-bound manner and that the truth shall prevail. For more information on this ruling, you can refer to our detailed report, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Thank you. I'm Aratrika Bhaumik for LiveLaw. Keep watching LiveLaw for more such updates.